If you are organizing a health camp and still informing patients one by one through calls or SMS, then you are wasting both time and effort. Because today, almost every patient is active on WhatsApp, and that's exactly where you should send your invitation. And in this video, I'll show you how to send health camp invitations to hundreds or even thousands of patients at once using Pabbly Chatflow broadcast. This setup is perfect for hospitals, clinics, diagnostic center, dental clinics, as well as individual doctors. So whether you are organizing a free health checkup camp, blood donation camp, eye checkup camp, or any other medical event, this broadcast setup can help you reach all of your patients within minutes. And the best part is that your invitation is delivered directly on WhatsApp, where patients are much more likely to open and read it compared to SMS or email. So the tool behind this complete setup is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow allows businesses to send official WhatsApp broadcasts, manage customer conversations, build chatbots, and communicate with thousands of customers from a single platform. That's why hospitals, clinics, educational institutes, retailers, and service businesses are increasingly choosing WhatsApp as their primary communication channel. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can create a health camp invitation broadcast, I want you to know that after watching this tutorial, if you'd like this tool and create some mind to purchase it, then don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout and get heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and you will successfully come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you just have to click on the sign up free option, and once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow, where you have to come in this broadcast feature, and this page is going to be appear in front of you. Broadcast feature allows you to send WhatsApp messages easily to predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, or updates. By using this feature, you can reach to hundreds or even thousands of your patients directly on WhatsApp without getting banned. I have already created some broadcast WhatsApp campaigns before, but before creating the new one, the first and the most important step is to add your business WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Now for creating a new broadcast campaign, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, select the broadcast type from here that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcaster name. Let's say I enter as health camp invitation. After that, here in this field, you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. I am selecting the leads list. See, I have already created this list before inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. You can also add contacts one by one manually as well as add in bulk. For uploading in bulk, you have to upload a CSV file contains your patient's contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that consists the data in the simple table format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file where I added patient's first name, last name, and phone number. I have added these contacts inside Google Sheets, but you can also use Excel as well. After adding all of your patient's contact, you have to download the file in a CSV format, because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how amazing this tool is. For uploading a contact file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file, and then simply drag and drop this file here. Or you can also upload it from your gallery. After that, click on this upload files button, select the contact list from here and click on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contact contact. So this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. For creating a contact list, you have to click on this option. I have already created some list before, and this is the leads list that I have selected here as an example. Now the next one is refine audience. It is completely optional. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact that you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can search and select that individual contact from this list. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Now comes one of the most important settings, select message type. Here you will see two options, pre-approved template message and regular message. A regular message can only be sent when the patient already has an active 24-hour conversation window with your business. If that 24-hour window has expired, WhatsApp will not allow you to send a regular message. And that's where pre-approved template messages comes in. These templates are approved by WhatsApp and can be used to start a new conversation or send invitation even when the patient hasn't recently interacted with your business. Since we are inviting patients to health camp, we'll select the pre-approved template message option. So see, these are the templates that I have already created before. So I am selecting this health camp invitation template. Now I want to add one image with this content too. So for that I'm clicking on this option, and for uploading a new image you just have to click on this add new image button. I have already uploaded one, so I am selecting this and clicking on this insert button. After that, this done button. So this is the final look of the template that is going to be sent to your patient. For creating this type of attractive templates, you have to go in this templates feature. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create templates inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. These are the meta approved messages that follows all the WhatsApp guidelines used for easy access and scale communication. After selecting the template, next I am going to test this broadcast. So for that I am entering the username as test user and my number in this field just only for the testing purpose. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button and it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received the exact template that we have selected here. This means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. And look at this template, how attractive it is, as it includes the details about the health camp and also the registration link too. I have created this by my choice, but you can customize it. As we have successfully received the message on our WhatsApp, this means that till now our broadcast campaign is working perfectly. Moving forward, you need to schedule the broadcast. Here you will see two options as your schedule for later and no send instantly. So if you want to send this template to all of your patients that are present inside your contact list immediately, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But if you want to schedule this broadcast message for later, then you can select this option. I'm going to schedule this broadcast for later, so I'm selecting this option and selecting the date and time as well. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 1st of July on 10 a.m. See, on 1st of July 2026 at 10 a.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my patients directly on WhatsApp without me touching my phone. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's how easily you can send health camp invitations to hundreds or even thousands of patients using WhatsApp broadcast with Pabbly Chatflow. So if you are a hospital, clinic, diagnostic center or healthcare professional looking to increase patient participation without spending hours making phone calls, then this setup can make the entire process fast, simple and professional. You can also view the stats of your broadcast from here as well as export report too. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing broadcast campaign for your next health camp invitation. So now I am going to end this tutorial. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.